hope everyone had a good day today. Hope everyone ended the day green. This is the SPY. We had a really nice move here. We pulled back at open, chopped around a little bit at open. Got back above our fib level here and established an uptrend, pushed up. If you go to your daily chart, you can see we were pushing right into our 9 MA here. And that was causing some resistance. We're able to push up into it, close above it. We end up snatching back in after hours here, back below the 200 on the 5. So we'll have to see where we open tomorrow. Big pullback at the end of the day in the market. Qs, they seemed a little weaker. We never even made it to the fib level. Turn the VWAP on. So we never even made it to our fib level there. Apple was one of the big movers for today with heavy out of the money option flow coming in on it. And if you can go back and look here, let's go to the 30. So this was a channel that we had been trading in for a few days now, and we showed this in another video. Been trading in this channel for a few days. So when the market opened, we ran right into this channel here. We ended up taking it out, snatched back into it in after hours. AMD, which finished Friday fairly strong. Come right into the 95 area, installed. This was the area that we noted in last night's video to keep an eye on. It's a very, very big spot. Did have a decent uptrend when it finally started. We seen heavy flow at open. It didn't last throughout the day, but we did see heavy flow at open on the video as well. Not a real big move here. Coming into earnings on Wednesday, we did get a nice uptrend here, but nothing huge. Microsoft, I didn't even see the flow on this until I turned the filters down on the scanners a little bit. At market open, I keep them turned up, trying to take out some of the smaller orders and some of the miscellaneous orders. But we got a nice uptrend here as well, just like the SPY and the Qs. More so the SPY, because like I say, the Qs are weaker. But we went into a little downtrend here at the end of the day, but a nice uptrend. Another one we covered over the weekend and yesterday's chart video was UNG. We picked up news Friday afternoon in our trading room that Russia was going to be cutting Finland off, and we figured that this would help push natural gas up. Very nice, easy trend here. One of our members was able to take full advantage of this. Did really well with this today. Some of the banks were really strong today. I think Goldman Sachs was the real winner. Citi had a nice run, and remember Mr. Buffett had recently opened a stake on this. Goldman Sachs. Nice strong move here. They were on fire at market open. You can see they kind of followed the same path the SPY did. So when the SPY run into that 9, was, like I say, it was able to push through it, but at the end of the day, it started pulling back. That affected everything. Let's see, JP Morgan. Let's take a look at that one. Another nice move as well. Energy was on fire today. We've been watching ExxonMobil. I think a lot of traders have. We're not the only ones. Been watching ExxonMobil. We pushed up to hit a new multi-year high here. Got a little head and shoulders pattern there. It's not textbook at all, but it's definitely a head and shoulders pattern. That just now seeing that, so that would be a sign of us pulling back right there. I didn't watch crude too hard today myself, or watch the energy stocks. Oxy did not do so well. Traded flat. I did have Oxy up early in the morning and ended up rotating it for other charts. Zoom had earnings and after hours and pushed nicely. Nice, 2 5-minute candles there and pulled back. They had a better than expected earnings. Doc U moved with them. These are two we're definitely going to be keeping an eye on in the morning. Doc U pushed, come right back down. You draw a trend line right through here, so we come right back to that original trend that it was trading in. Snap released a guidance. Come across our new squawk as well. They released another guidance, basically stating that things are not going so well. Which is nothing unusual. A lot of stuff is, or a lot of companies are dealing with the same thing. Big pullback here, so we're definitely going to have this on the radar in the morning. Could get an oversold bounce at this point. We could pull back farther. Kind of need to see the action in pre-market to see what's happening there. Hope everybody has a good night and a good green day tomorrow. See you in the trading room.